Hello children, let us do these questions on tissues. Okay, I have also provided answers in short within the bracket. First question is define the term tissue. Okay, define the term tissue. So what you have to write, a group of cells form the tissue, those cells that have same origin, structure and function. Okay, when they group together and they are called as tissue. Now what is histology? Histology is the study of different tissue is called histology. How many types of meristems are present in plant? So there are three types. One is apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. Fourth question is name the parenchyma with chlorophyll which performs photosynthesis. So yes, which parenchymatous cells do the function of photosynthesis or has chlorophyll? That is, answer is parenchyma. Next question is which plant tissue makes the plant hard and stiff? Okay, hard and stiff and thickened due to the lignin. So which plant tissue has the deposition of lignin that makes it hard and stiff with no intercellular spaces? That is sclerenchyma. Okay, so lignin deposition we see in case of sclerenchymatous cells. Next question is give the details of epidermal tissues in the plant. So what we know about the epidermal tissues of the plant? They are for the protection and for the exchange of gases, and they will have guard cells which are kidney shaped in case of dicot and dumbbell shaped in case of monocots. Okay, and the epidermal tissues of the roots will aid in the absorption of the water and minerals. So you can mention about both in case of leaf how the epidermal cells are, and in case of roots how the epidermal cells are behaving. In case of roots, their work is for protection of water and minerals. In case of leaves and all, wherever there is a green part of the plant, there they are doing the function of protection. Okay, and also exchange of gases through stomata. Okay, now the next question, which element constitute the phloem? So they are sieve. There are sieve tubes, phloem companion, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Same way a question can be asked for xylem also. Okay, next question, distinguish between ligaments and tendon. So what is the difference between the ligament and tendon? Ligaments are, yes, they are both are the connective tissue. Okay, both are connective tissue, but when a bone is to be joined with another bone, it is through ligaments. Okay, so connection between the bone and bone is through ligaments, whereas when the muscles is joined with the bone, we call that connective tissue as tendon. Okay, so tendon is a connective tissue that is joining muscle to a bone, whereas ligament is a connective tissue that joins bone to another bone. Next question, that is ninth one, name the three muscular tissue in animals. So which are the three muscular tissues? Striated muscles, unstriated and the cardiac muscles. Striated, unstriated and cardiac muscles, yes, the muscles that are present in our heart, we call them as cardiac muscles. Now draw the neuron and label it. So you can refer to the diagram which is given in your book and label all the parts of the neuron. Okay, now here are some questions which you can try to do. Okay, I'll just read out the questions for you all. You can try answering these questions. Okay, question number 1, what is a group of cells that are similar in structure and work called? Yes, this is just 1 mark question. You can think about what is the answer. What is the which is the hardest connective tissue? Okay, just think about it. Which is the hardest connective tissue? Find about this. What is the name of the blood matrix? What is the blood matrix called in which the RBC, WBC and platelet cells are floating? What is that called? That is asked. By what process permanent tissues are formed? Okay, you have to tell the name of the process. Two bones are connected with ligaments. Okay, so is it ligament that is connecting the two bones? Is it true or false? You have to answer that. What are the two main types of the tissues that are found in plants? So you have to tell about that, which are the two types of tissues in plants. Draw the structure of stomata and label it. So in case of monocot, how the stomata looks like along with the guard cell, and you have to also draw for the dicot also. Next question, what is the main function of parenchyma? Next question, what are the fluid connective tissue? Okay, so fluid connective tissue have to mention what all fluid connective tissues are there. Like blood is one of the fluid connective tissue. There is one more, you have to answer that. What is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles? Yes, so there are striated and unstriated muscles. See which one is voluntary, which one is involuntary. Okay, so you have to write the difference between them. You have to also mention about which one is uninucleate, which one is multinucleate, which one is branched, which is unbranched. Okay, light band, dark band, which is in which it is present and in which one it is not present. So like that 2-3 points you have to prepare for this. Next question is, write a short note on cardiac muscles, that is our heart muscles. Okay, draw a label diagram of areolar tissue. You should know to draw this diagram for the areolar tissue. Mention 3 elements of the xylem tissues. Write short note on glandular epithelium. Next question is, write 3 significant point about this sclerenchymatous cell. Write some examples also in this. With the help of suitable diagram, describe the phloem. Draw and label the nerve cell, and you have to explain it in the brief. All the parts have to be labeled on one side. Okay, diagram on one side, labeling to be done on another side, and you have to explain each and every part also. Okay, I hope you all will do this. Thank you.